Do you want to nail your videos in less time? It's time to use a teleprompter. Using one can significantly improve your on-camera performance and help you deliver flawless scripts. Hi, I'm Mia from teleprompter.com, and today I'm going to show you a pretty straightforward process on how to set up your teleprompter. The one we're using now is from teleprompterpad.com, but the process applies to other brands as well, so let's dive into it. In order to succeed, make sure you have a couple of things at hand before starting your setup. You're going to need a tripod, a camera, a teleprompter, an iPad or any other tablet, and you're lucky if your device comes with a remote control, but with our app, you can use your phone to manage and preview the playback on your phone. Step 1. Assembling the teleprompter hardware. The first step is to set up the teleprompter hardware on a tripod. Make sure your tripod is stable and at a comfortable height. Attach the teleprompter unit securely to the tripod head, ensuring it's properly balanced. Step 2. Attaching the camera. Now attach your camera to the teleprompter. Most teleprompters have a mount on the back to accommodate various camera sizes. Place your camera carefully and secure it in place using the provided screws. Step 3. Cover for best visibility. For optimal visibility, put the cover on the teleprompter. This will help eliminate any reflections or glare, ensuring a clear view of the text when recording. Step 4. Launching the teleprompter app. We recommend using our teleprompter app that you can download from the App Store. Just go to teleprompter.com and tap on the download button. You can use a starter pack to see the app, but I suggest you opt for a pro version with a 7-day trial to unlock many exciting features such as mirroring, remote controlling from your phone, and customizing the line spacing. Step 5. Choosing your script. With the app open, select the script you want to use for your video. You can either copy and paste the script directly into the app, write your script directly in the app, or import it from other applications such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Step 6. Mirroring the text. Here's an essential step. Don't forget to mirror your text. Since the teleprompter reflects the text onto a specially coated glass, mirroring the text ensures that it appears correctly for you to read while looking directly into the camera lens. The app allows you to set the left and right margins to the center so your text appears in the middle. Access the feature at Settings, Playback Settings, Set Margin. Step 7. Inserting the iPad. Now insert your iPad into the teleprompter's allocated space in the front. Make sure it fits securely and aligns with the reflection area. Step 8. Connecting your phone as a remote control. To have better control over the teleprompter while recording, you can use your phone as a remote. In order to make it happen, you just need to have an internet connection on both devices, or you can simply connect them via Bluetooth. Keep in mind, you don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Luckily, with the web remote, you only have to pair your devices once. After the first successful connection, you just have to launch the app on your iPad and everything else can be controlled remotely from your phone, managing scripts, opening files, customizing the appearance, etc. Step 9. Managing speed and font size. Once the remote control is set up, you can manage the scrolling speed and font size from your phone. This way, you can adjust the script's pace to match your speaking style and easily read the text without any hassle. Step 10. Time to record. Congratulations! Your teleprompter setup is complete. Now it's time to hit record and start delivering your scripts confidently and naturally. With the teleprompter assisting you, you'll find it easier to maintain eye contact with your audience and deliver your content flawlessly. Setting up a teleprompter might seem intimidating at first, but as you can see, it's a straightforward process that can take your video production to the next level. Practice using the teleprompter to get comfortable with its features and make your videos even more engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on improving your video creation process. How did your first setup turn out? Let us know in the comments.